Hello, welcome to the channel Java and Cloud, and today we are going to connect MySQL container with Java application, and for that you have to install Docker for desktop or any Docker in your machine. So Docker should be installed. That this is the prerequisite, and we will expose this Docker container and we will connect with the Java application. So for that we need to pull the Docker MySQL image using Docker pull command. So let us use terminal for that. So Docker pull MySQL. This will pull the latest image from Docker Hub. So pull request is completed, and now we will run a container from this image and we will expose this on 3306 port. So for that we will use command docker run -it, and port will be given on 3306 and internal port will be 3306, and the name of container will be MySQL, and we need to give password also. So -e MySQL _root password equal to, let us give password as 123456, and we need to give image name. Let us hit. So MySQL server has been started. Container is started now. Let us check. So let's check with docker ps command. So container is up and it is exposed externally on 3306 port. So let us go inside the container and check and install some database. So for that we can use the command docker exec hyphen MySQL and we need to give command MySQL -uroot -p, and we need to give password as 123456. So this is connected. MySQL console is connected, and now we can use MySQL here from command line. So let us create one database. Create database Java _cloud DB. It is created. Let us use this DB. Let's create one table. Create table emp id. I'm creating table inside this database. Okay, so table has been created, and let us create one sample record inside this table. Insert table emp values into 1 Amit. Now it is created. Database is created and table is also created. So we have inserted one sample record, and let us check this. Let us connect this container with Java application. So I have created one sample application with JDBC code, and I'm using a Maven project, and I'm using a MySQL connector. And let us check. I have inserted dialect, and the URL would be like localhost, and we have exposed container on 3306 and / and database name is java underscore cloud underscore db, as we have created the same, and username would be root, and password is 123456 as given while creating the MySQL server. And I'm simply selecting the data from the employee table and fetching and printing in the console. So let us run this project. So as we can see, it is connected to DB MySQL and it is fetching the data. So as you can use this URL to connect in the outer world, and you can use the container. So that is it from this video. Thank you.